Hello, what up there? You are watching Archmosphere, and in this video we are going to discuss about pros and cons of architecture. So first of all, disclaimer that this is about my opinion, that how I feel and perceive architecture and what are the pros and cons that I feel. You might have a totally different opinion. So first of all, we will discuss about pros of architecture. So the first point will be that architecture is a very different field. Like, it gives a sense of creativeness, that you are creating something while you are designing, while you are doing something, you feel that you are making something creative and you are using your brain, and whatever you are making is the individual thing that will be the unique thing that is going to happen. That is the best part of being in architecture college, that every time you will be doing your project and all, there will be a feel of creativeness. So second point is that every day of architecture will be very different in college. Like, every single day you will be appointed with a single task that will be totally different from the task that you have done before. Like, every day you will be given a project or a assignment that will be totally different, and that will make you feel very interested about it, and you will be very excited about what you are going to do. Like, throughout your 5 year you will be doing a lot of different things, and you will be definitely going to have a lot of pleasure and enjoyment while doing those things. So the third point is that we used to explore a lot of cities. We go to like a site visit every semester, because we are appointed a site, and like, for every semester you will be designing in a different zone of climate, and that will be in different cities. So you have to go to those cities, and your college friends will be with you, and you will be having a lot of enjoyment there on those trips, and these trips are the best part of being in architecture. So the fourth point is that architecture will be providing you with a very unique skill of giving juries. In most of the college there won't be juries. Like, your friend will be doing different courses, and they will be having a set pattern of exams and all. But in architecture you will be giving juries. That is, that a person will be coming from other colleges, like he will be an architect, or maybe in different profession related to your design. He will be coming you and judging your work throughout your semester. So giving this, the juries will develop a very unique skill of presenting things to stranger. Like, in a professional field you will be using that skill a lot, because you will be convincing your client about your design. So that is the 5 year process. Like, 5 year process of giving juries make you better to get into the professional ones, and you will be having that skill in you. That is the very best point of doing architecture. So this process will be teaching a lot, and no other college will be teaching how to deal with the client, and this is the best part of being in architecture college, because you will be very prepared how to deal with people around you. So the fifth point is that you will be developing a lot of different skills while being in architecture college. You are not learning only about architecture, but you will be learning a lot of different skills. Like, you will be learning about documentation, videography, photography, that will be included in the documentation. And then after that you will be learning about the design skills that will be needed. You will be learning about the softwares that you will be using, like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, Rhino, and you will be learning about graphics like Photoshop, Illustrator. You could be even a graphic designer after finishing your architecture. Like, it will be opening a lot of opportunities, because you will be developing a lot of skills in architecture college. And after that, when your design will be finished, you will be creating a model, and you will be developing model making skill as well. So these are some of the skill set, and there are many skill sets that you will be learning in architecture college. So this is all about pros, and now you will be thinking that architecture is really good skill, so what will be the cons of it? So I will be telling you about the cons that I felt while doing architecture. So this is my opinion. You might haven't faced these type of cons. The first cons that we will be discussing is that architecture is actually a really long course. Like, you will be having your 5 years in your college, and by that time people around you, like your school friends, will be having jobs and all, and you will be sitting in a studio and working very hard actually. So that is actually like a con about that. Like, it's a really long course. So the second cons that we will be discussing is that architecture colleges are bit expensive. Like, you will be paying your tuition fees, you will be paying your hostel fees, you will be paying your mess fees. After that also you will be having a very great daily expense. Like, the daily expense will be too much comparing to other colleges, because like in architecture you have to take a lot of stationeries with you. You will be printing, you will be making models, you will be having a stationery that is like very expensive, that you will be using in architecture. So that expense part is actually will be considered who might face problem with the money fact, but it could be tackled if you manage, like you have to develop a skill of managing your money, because you are going to manage money, like your parents will be sending you money, and then you definitely have to manage the money on what you have to expense. So the third cons that every architect face and every architect complain about, even a student, even a professional, is that architecture is hell a lot of work. You will be doing a lot of work in your 5 years of colleges. You will be having sleepless nights doing your submission and all. That is actually a really big cons. Like, people do enjoy, sometimes we definitely enjoy working, but sometimes it's like, why this much of work? Actually, we get to feel about this all as well. So the fifth cons that we will be discussing is that of submission. Like, you will be having a week of studies, and like, you hardly have Saturday and Sunday that you have to utilize either resting or either doing your submission. And so every week you will be given a submission, and on the same day of the next week you have to submit that submission. So managing all these submission, like every day you have to submit something, and that is actually sometimes very stressful, because there is a lot of submission work that is done in the architecture colleges. So the fifth cons of being in architecture college, that when you graduate, you won't be expecting a lot of money. Like, if you are expecting a lot of money after doing architecture, it's a very slow process. Actually, it's a very slow process. You will gradually increase your money. I'm not saying that you can't earn well. Actually, you can earn well, but you have to at start you are a beginner in design, and you won't be given a very big project or a very large scale project. Like, you even can't do it because you don't have any experience about that. You were working in college and you were working in a hypothetical situation and you were doing mistakes, but in real world you have to first learn. Like, after graduating, then still you will be like a trainee. You will be getting trained in how to practice in professional world. So you will be taking a lot of time to earn well. That is actually a con. So you have spent 5 years of college, and then still you have to get trained, and then you will earn much. Actually, you can earn a lot after that, but still it's a very long process. First 5 years, then still being trained in the professional world. So after that you can achieve your goals financial wise, like what I want to earn. Then still you can manage whatever you want. You will be having a struggle life, but the fruit will definitely going to taste very sweet. That is the point. So the last cons that I will be discussing is about a social issue. Actually, it's a social issue that people of India don't know much about architects and architecture. They have a very few idea, and sometimes they misinterpret that thing very badly. Like, you will be standing and introducing yourself, and in a room full of people, hardly 2-3 people will be knowing who is an architect. It's like, I'm talking about the common families that we will be interacting and we will be telling. I'm not talking about the professional ones. I'm talking about the general people. They won't be knowing about what you are pursuing. So they will be having a very different point of view according to you, and you have to definitely going to tackle these uncle and aunties of your relation. So this is very stressful because you have achieved a lot of things, but still you can't flaunt it off. That is the con. So guys, that's all for today, pros and cons, and I hope that you like this video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please do follow Archmosphere on Instagram. I usually give answer related to architecture on my Instagram account. You can DM me there. So do follow Archmosphere on Instagram. Till then, bye bye.